What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Just Knock Smith channel. I know by the title, thumbnail, you guys are probably wigging out right now, but it's true. We're going to talk about that in this video. The 6.0 is gone. I say the 6.0 is gone, but it's right here. But that's why we're going to talk about it in this video. Right now we got to head to the parts store and get some brake fluid for putting the master cylinders and stuff back together. Just picked those up from Single Shot Powder Coating. They do powder coating and Cerakote work. Huge supporter here on the Just Knock Smith YouTube channel. We picked that stuff up last night, and today we're gonna go ahead and put that bike back together. But you all don't care about the bike. You all care about the 6.0. Which leads me to my next thing, bro. What am I in right now? Dude, I'm in a Jeep. So we picked us up a new Jeep yesterday. New to me. She's got 70,000 on her, 69,000. And what is this thing, bro? Big manual guy. Dude, I've never had a manual before. So this is a bit of a learning experience for me. Shifting gears and passing the words we're not allowed to say. Because those people don't like to be called that. We're gonna be nice here on the channel. It's gonna be a little bit harder to vlog in the old manual, but I think we're gonna manage right here. Dude, first shift here on the channel, a little bit of clutch. Oh my gosh, dude, I'm so bad at driving a manual, it's not even funny. All right, so anyway, we will stop, and I wanna show you guys this Jeep first before we get into the video today. So we're gonna go ahead and pull up here. I'm gonna get out, I'm gonna show you this thing. It's gonna be the new daily for a little bit while we are saving up to get either an Alumaduty or a steel body 6.7. So I know we've been through a lot with the 6.0 over the last couple of years, and this is probably coming as a surprise to most of you guys because we just got it back. All right, so she's a big two-door Jeep JK. It's a 2018, so it's the last year of the JKs. I reckon some of the 2018s were even JLs. So this is all new to me. I've never had a Jeep. I've never really liked Jeeps, never been a fan of Jeeps. But we bought one because I need a change of pace. I need something different. I need something that's not a big, huge truck or rolling coal every 5 seconds, breaking down every 5 seconds. I need something different. I mean, a Jeep is like the next best thing to a truck, I feel like. They're like little, Legos. Like you can just build them up. Steering is practically the same, straight axle, 4-wheel drive. So we're definitely going to be doing a lot of upgrades to this thing. Bumpers, probably a winch, wheels, tires, lift, powder coat, full everything. We're going to do a full everything build on this thing as a daily, as something new to the channel. Bring on some new subscribers. Probably lose some old subscribers. I know a lot of the diesel people aren't into Jeeps, but I know a lot of them, some of them are. But like I said, the diesel content's not going away forever. I just personally don't want to go in debt $30,000, $40,000 on a 6.7 Powerstroke, and that's what I want. I mean, in all honesty, that's what I want. So we went ahead and sold the 6.0. We picked up this Jeep as a daily, and we're going to talk about that a little bit more whenever we get back. But anyway, that's kind of the plans. We picked up a Jeep as a daily, get it all built up, and then we'll have a 6.7 and a built Jeep. And then I'll probably use the 6.7 to pull it to shows, and probably use the 6.7 that will also be built and pull the Jeep to shows. So I'm trying to plan for the future of the channel and reach a wider, broader, bigger audience. So I think it'll be something cool, and it's something new that I really, really need in my life after the last 2 years of dealing with this 6.0. But yeah, this thing is a super clean 2-owner, 2-door, 6-speed Jeep. Nothing crazy. Just a sport, but we're gonna do a full build on it. And I think from where it's a 2-door, it'll be pretty cool once it's done. All right, so I'm not gonna Jeep you guys to death just yet. We're gonna go in here, pick up some brake fluid, head back to the shop, and then we're gonna show you guys the 6.0, what it looks like. We've got some different wheels on it. It is sold. I've received the wire transfer. The truck is gone. We still have the truck because it's not been shipped yet. So we're gonna talk about that right here in just a second. But yeah, somebody bought it and they're having it shipped. What's up? I'm interrupting this video for today's sponsor, Lasfit. Y'all go check out their website and see if they've got anything for your make and model vehicle. No matter what you drive, they offer LEDs for almost every make and model out there. They are super bright. All right, babe, open your eyes.
Oh my gosh.
And long lasting. They stand behind their products. They offer all kinds of accessories for an array of different makes and model vehicles, bed liners, floor mat liners, LED bulbs for literally everything front to back. I run them on all of my trucks. We also have some YouTube videos showing off their products as well. I will have them linked in the description box down below, along with the discount code popping up on the screen now. Y'all use that discount code and support the YouTube channel and support an awesome company who stands behind their products and supports the YouTube channel. So huge shout out to Lasfit. Thanks again. Let's get back into the video. So 6.0 is still here, but the 6.0 is sold. So old dude wired me the money a couple days ago, and he's waiting to hear back from the shippers on when the shipper is gonna pick it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it ready for him. Everything's ready except pulling the horn kit off. It's being sold as is, ready to go. Runs and drives great. You all seen my last video, over 30,000 in just the motor and trans. So it's been 2 years. Anyone who goes back through my old videos, if you go back to like the beginning of, probably like the middle of 2022, towards the end of 2022, and watch any videos that are truck related from there to now, and you'll see the last 3 years or 2 years of my life have been an absolute nightmare with that truck. But thanks to some awesome companies that I will forever be grateful for, PKP Motorsports, Herbie Good, PMF Suspension, Striker Off-Road Designs, Blessed Performance, like all kinds of my sponsors, Turbo Time, a lot of companies that have been there and supported me and helped me out through the years, through the last 6 years of the YouTube channel. I'll forever be grateful, and I can't wait to work with some of you all again on the next build. Although I did have some plans of rebuilding the 6.0 looks wise, once we got this Dodge knocked out and done, it's just not, I can't find that motivation, sink another $20,000 in wheels, tires, suspension, powder coat, etc., and rebuild this truck after all of the issues that I've had out of the motor and trans. Like, it's literal PTSD. I want to start fresh. I want to start with something new. That's why I picked up the Jeep, a manual. I've never owned a manual vehicle, and we're going to start saving for the big 6.7. So obviously we sold the truck for a lot more than we did, for a lot more than we bought the Jeep for, and so got a big, huge, hefty head start. Some money to work with to reinvest into the YouTube channel, working with some awesome companies. I've already been sending resumes to some companies to get some Jeep products headed this way. Content will go on, and there will be diesel content again. I've already talked to Matt at Blessed Performance. We're going to be working together once I get a 6.7. I'm sure Turbo Time USA, I didn't get the chance to talk to them, but I'm sure Turbo Time will want to work with me again. We're going to do some 6.7 content with them. I don't care if they want to work with me or not. It's a great company that supported me in a really bad time. And even if they don't want to give me a discount or send out some products to review or whatever, I'll just buy them at full price because it's just a great company and great products. So she's ready to go now for the new owner. We're just got to pull the Horn Blasters kit under here. And like I said, my other Horn Blasters kit got damaged like during the process of danning and everything. It just got destroyed. I mean, it was brand new whenever I dropped it off, and then it got destroyed. So Horn Blasters was very, very kind enough to send over another kit just to be a supporter of the channel. They wanted me running their horns, and we got to do some content with that. So I greatly appreciate Horn Blasters as well. Awesome company with awesome products. So I'm not gonna, name drop or anything. The truck is going out west, but it's just a big, huge part of my life that's leaving. It's like, obviously it doesn't, a materialistic object whenever compared to losing someone. But as far as caring about a materialistic object that's literally supported me and my family over the last 5-6 years, it's been really, really fun and a huge part of my life. So I mean, it is, sad that the 6.0 is going to be gone, but I'm ready for different, better, bigger, newer things, and I can't wait to take you guys along with me to do that and see what we end up getting. I'm wanting to find at least a Lariat trim model, 6.7 Powerstroke here in the next 6 months to a year, and hopefully seal the deal on one. So that's what we're going to be doing. Then we'll be doing, I was already going to be working with a lift kit company, and 6.0 isn't much different than 6.7, so we'll still be probably working with that same company and that's going to be a really cool surprise and one-off and everything. So we'll probably end up doing the same build, suspension-wise, powder coat-wise, all that stuff, on the 6.7 that I had in my head that you guys don't know about, that we were supposed to do to the 6.0. We ended up letting it go, so we're going to be doing that same build, but on a 6.7 platform, and just bringing you guys some new and different content. So I'm not going to do it any level on an Illuma Duty with all color match like every other truck at a truck show. We're going to try to do something different like the old days, something that's never been done before, something that's not copy and paste, and I think it's going to be a really great thing. So anyone who watched this far, I really appreciate you all watching the channel. I really appreciate you all tuning in, and I hope that you tune in for some awesome Jeep content, because we're going to have some really cool companies on board, I believe, from the resumes that I've sent out and the responses that I've been getting. 6.0 is gone. This is the last time you'll see it on the Just Knox Smith channel, unless I do like a tribute video. I might do like a tribute video. I know it's just a truck, but like I said, it was a huge part of me. So I'll probably try to throw like a big collage together, and y'all can see all of the multiple phases that it's been through. We've been through 20 plus sets of wheels. We've been through probably 10 different lift kits over the last 7 years. I've had this truck since 2018, so it's been a while, but I'm not gonna ramble on with you guys any longer. I'll see you all in the next one. Hopefully it's some Jeep content, and who knows, it might even be 6.7 content, I don't know. But we will check back in with y'all soon. Thanks for watching. Always remember, everybody starts out as nobody, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. We may have lost the battle, but the war has just begun.